Sum number 7, transactions for loan and interest. Write journal entries in the Journal of Pushkar, 2014 Feb 1. Due to additional requirement of funds, 12% loan of 20,000 borrowed from Ram. Here cash comes in, so cash account debit to 12% Ram's loan account credit. Amount is 20,000, 20,000. Second, rupees 8,000 lent to Lakshman at interest rate of 8%. Here cash goes out, so cash account is credited and loan is given to Lakshman. So here it is written 8% loan to Lakshman account debit to cash account credit. Some transaction number 8, date 8. Received cash 800 for loan lent to Bharat and 200 for interest. Here cash comes in, so cash account debit 1,000 rupees. Okay, he gets from Bharat. He gets money from Bharat for loan purpose and also an interest on loan rupees 200. Date 10, rupees 500 received back to Sita for borrowed loan and paid interest rupees 400. Okay, here 500 returned back. Pushkar returned back 500 of Sita's loan and also paid interest on loan. So he returned the 5,000 rupees to Sita and paid rupees 400 for interest on loan. So total is 5,400. Here cash goes out, so cash account is credited. Here we have to write debit and here also debit. Received interest of rupees 200 for loan lent to Kaushal. Here cash comes in, so cash account debit to interest on loan account credit. Date 15, interest for 1 month paid for loan obtained from Ram. Okay. Interest for 1 month paid for loan obtained from Ram. 1 month loan is paid. So interest on loan rupees 200. Interest on loan is 200. 20,000 multiply by 12% multiply by 1 divided by 12. Answer will be 200. Okay. Here 20,000 amount loan was there and it was of rupees 12% and interest for 1 month is paid. So 1 divided by 12 we will get here 200. Rupees 75 became receivable for interest on loan of Lakshman. So Lakshman account debit to interest on loan account credit. Here it is not received but it is receivable. Receivable means he will get in future. That's why your cash is not written. Okay, your word receivable is written. That's why they have written your name Lakshman account debit to interest on loan account credit. Amount is 75 rupees and here also 75 rupees. Total is 34,875. Sum number 8. These are the transactions of bank. Write journal entry for Krishna for the following transaction. 2014 March 1. 20,000 deposited with bank and opened account. So your bank is the receiver. So bank account debit and cash goes out. So to cash account credit. Amount is 20,000 and here also 20,000. A check of rupees 5,000 received from Hari which immediately deposited with bank. Okay, a check of 5,000 received from Hari. Here bank is the receiver and Hari is the giver. So bank account debit and Hari account will be credited. 5,000, 5,000. A check of rupees 2000 received from Ramnik Lal for dues. A check of rupees 2000 received from Ramnik Lal for dues. So, bank account debit to Ramnik Lal account credit. Your bank is the receiver and Ramnik Lal is the giver. So, we have to debit the receiver and credit the giver. 10. Goods sold to Rupali rupees 14,000, out of which check received for half amount with deposited with bank. Again, goods sold to Rupali 14,000, out of which here they have told that half of the amount is received by check and half amount is remaining. So as it is received by check, so we have to write a bank account debit and half amount is remaining. So Rupali account debit to sales account credit. Okay. Half of the amount is received by check, so it is 7,000 and half amount is remaining, which is credit transaction. So it will be written 7,000. Total is 14,000. Transaction number 12. Goods of rupees 10,000 purchased from Deepkala and paid half amount by check. Here purchased, okay, goods of 10,000 purchased from Deepkala. Here half amount is paid by check and half amount is remaining. So purchase account debit to bank account credit and Deepkala account credit. Deepkala account credit. 5,000, here also 5,000, total is 10,000. Afterwards, transaction number 15. Transaction number 15. 400 withdrawn from bank for personal expenses and 800 for office expenses. Whenever it is written personal expenses, at that time we have to write word drawing. Drawing account debit. Here it is for office expenses 800, so we have to write here cash account debit to bank account credit. Total amount is 1200. For each and every transaction, it is necessary to write narration. Life insurance premium 300 and fire insurance premium 450 paid by check. Life insurance premium is personal expense, so we have written here drawing. And fire insurance related to business, so fire insurance premium account debit to bank account credit. Life insurance premium 300 and fire insurance premium 450, total is 750. Bank has approved overdraft of rupees 25,000. Okay, here bank have approved the overdraft, but they have not given till now. That's why it is non-economic transaction. Bank has credited interest of rupees 250 and debited bank charges rupees 100. Bank has credited interest. Credited interest means our account is credited, means our balance is increased by rupees 250. Whenever it is written that bank has credited interest, it means that our bank balance is increased. And whenever they are told that debited, it means our bank balance is decreased by whatever amount they have given. Credited means bank balance increase and debited means bank balance decrease. So bank account debit to bank interest account credit. Date 25, second entry. Bank charges account debit to bank account credit. We have to remember this word, credited and debited. Debit means decrease and credit means increase. A check of rupees 5,000 issued for foreign visit of son of honor for business. This is also personal expense. So drawing account debit to bank account credit. Total is 5,000. So total of both the side is 58,300, 58,300.